Gude. I think I need more room, but since it's a YouTube inspired purchase, I thought it's just fitting to unbox it on YouTube. Also, you may already know what this is because you saw the thumbnail and the description, but I'm curious. The best thing about this is I ordered it obviously when it came out because it was sold out right after it, but I was told that this would be sent in December, mid of December, and now we have end of November. Still have like 1 week left and it's already here, so I'm very pleased. Let's try this and that, and okay. Whee! Nice. Okay, I think I know why it was sold out so fast. Let's turn it around. Okay, that's everything. With a little warning down there. Anyway, and it's sealed, not for much longer, but it is still sealed. Come on. And here, oh, I don't have to. Anyway, even better. Wait. And as I was told, there are magnets in here, that's really nice. And framing, here we go. Okay, it doesn't fold all the way up, there's something against the moisture. Oh, it's really nice. And come on. Why are you? Oh, yeah, here. Oh, it definitely has some weight to it. That's nice. Actually, I didn't own any machete before, and it already punctured the plastic. Okay, hope that it's just good things to come. You see, my pawns are a little smaller than Jörg's, but it has a nice heft to it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Nice. Obviously this doesn't latch, but anyway, no need for it. Careful with the knife end. And that's the party trick. You can flip it closed, but since it's two-handed, it should be legal to carry it with you in Germany, and you can't open it because it locks when it is closed. So that's basically it. So we saw this holster here, but you saw that there's already a second one. That is for the closed one. If you fold it, hopefully this works, or maybe other than works. I think they don't care. And you can carry it, fold it down. So what can we do with it? Yeah, that's the most obvious thing, right? We try the plastic and the paper. Okay, it rips it apart, I don't know. Anyway, it feels like decent sharpness, but not way too sharp. Now the question is, if you look online for the prices, you know that you shouldn't use it, but it's still like a tool. And also, if I used it, oh, there's also like a indentation here to get it out more easily. But if I use it, I would help every other collector by increasing the price since there are less left, right? I don't know. Right now I'm really happy that it's here. It's really heavy. I think I have to weigh it. And 900 grams, almost a kilo. Yeah, that's it. Oh, so the idea is that you have the QR code here, and this leads to a website explaining the German police, for example, when they try to arrest this from you, that it's actually legal to carry a two-handed knife with you, because you need two hands to open it. You can't do it one-handed. Or maybe you can. No, you can't. It's too heavy. You have to unlock it here and then maybe like this, but this is no fluid opening motion. Anyway, I have okay, I will cut this. 6,863 of 5,000. So was in the last half of it. Okay, more details since I'm just packing it up. At first you have this strap here to prevent it from sliding out, and then there's also the Gauguin logo down here. Nice stitching, also some rivets to prevent it from cutting through or getting out. Okay, I like. Also the logo, another rivet, and also nice stitching. Looks very professional for me as an amateur. And you have the option to carry it here with this strap or up here. Don't know if you use a carabiner. And also there's another one, so you can attach it like this or like this. Anyway, really nice. And the foam is really stiff and nicely cut, and everything as premium as you expected from the price tag. And now I cut to the outro. Anyway, how to end this? I hope you liked it, because that's it for today. Thanks and bye bye. Is this okay if you steal the saying of another YouTuber to end your movie? No, it should be. I just do it once. And best greetings in the Odenwald.